Good morning, Josh Hayes with Hedge Plus, and here's today's market monitor. We're seeing very low volume trade both yesterday and overnight trade, trading also within very small ranges, not a lot of fluctuation. We're basically drifting back and forth between a small range of resistance and support. We drifted up to around 460 on corn. We're starting to drift back down. We want to see it hold at around 455, 454. Same small ranges with with wheat and soybeans. Not a lot happening, and until we get the intended acres report at the end of the month, there might not be much. Obviously, we could get news in the way of trade deals or new tariffs that would move the markets, but short of that, there's really not much to go off of right now. Early or newer updated forecasts are coming out for acres ahead of the USDA. S&P Global raised its corn acres forecast for the U.S. even more, while dropping its soybean acreage forecast for the lowest in 6 years. We'll wonder how much impact we'll even see, barring any major surprises at the end of the month. In other very small news, Brazil is raising the level of ethanol blend in its gasoline. They already have pretty tight supply, so any further usage that goes towards domestic needs, such as ethanol, is only going to make their ending stocks and their supply even tighter. Russia continues to confound. They have a poor forecast for their current wheat crop. Their supplies are tightening, but yet they've come to a point where they're lowering wheat bids in order to move supply ahead of spring planting. So there weren't many buyers for what they did have, to the point they're actually lowering their prices in spite of tight supply. So that's an indicator that world demand for wheat is just not strong enough right now. Weather-wise, not much has changed. Argentina continues to stay dry, which is actually good. They had a lot of rain in the past month or so. So the dryness they're getting right now is welcome. It's helping them advance with their harvests and getting them caught up to the good place that Brazil is right now. And Brazil is getting a good mix of both rain and sunshine to help develop their safrinha crop. Russia and the United States, U.S. plains remain dry. Northern parts of the U.S. is getting in snow and enough precipitation, but the big concern area is obviously the southern plains. That there's no relief in sight there. More wind, more dry, and as that area gets worse, it's just going to make the outlook for the winter wheat crop that much poorer. Texas is moving along with corn planting as well, so this can't be helping with that as well. They're already into that early season planting. That's something to watch, but something that has not yet really grabbed hold of the markets. Here you can see overnight prices as of about 5 minutes ago. Again, hovering around even, drifting slightly lower with corn and wheat, very low volume. Still trading within these very tight ranges. Don't expect much of that to change today. That's all for now. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.